Hello, this is the GPC video for how to make a Unity project and get it into a Git repository. So, coming here from the GitHub homepage, I generally go to your repositories and new. And create a public repository. Generally I add a readme and the Unity gitignore template. Don't worry about licenses right now, you can look those up later if you want to. They basically specify what other people are allowed to do with your code. So here I have the whole thing. So I generally clone by copying the link, cloning a repository, and cloning with the URL. You can just clone directly with github.com. Mine just isn't linked properly. So there, I've cloned it. So now I'll go here, show in folder, and you can see here it's in Documents, Gitkraken GW video example. So I will open up my Unity Hub. Create a new project. Select whatever template you want. And put it in that folder that we just created. Select folder, call it whatever. It will later show up as the name of the repository here. Give the time for the project to actually create. And you can see as it's creating here, we're getting thousands upon thousands of files. And we will fix that in a minute so that the gitignore properly ignores them. But yeah, this is the reason that you have a gitignore, because you don't want to be pushing your 15,000 files. I don't know how many it works out to once the temp creation files are gone, but and it's opened up on another screen here, but you can see here we have the project. So for now, we just close the project down. You can see we have 21,500 files here. We do not want all of these in the actual project, so we are going to go in and grab these. So in general, you don't actually need to grab anything, but you don't actually need to grab every single thing. There are a few core pieces that you need to grab, but I don't have them memorized off the top of my head, so I'm just grabbing everything. My computer can handle copy and pasting really fast, but yeah, you just copy and paste in the base Git folder that you have that has your git ignore and your readme and everything. And then your My Project folder is now empty, so you can go ahead and delete it. You can keep it around if you want, but I go ahead and delete it. And now we have gone down from 20,000 files to 31. And we can go ahead and commit those 31 files. Added Unity project. And pull and push. And then in Unity itself, go ahead and remove that project because it does not technically exist anymore. But if you go open and go to your repository, you can see you have all of the Unity folders here. If you open it up, it will recognize it as the Unity project that you've just created, and you can reopen it. And now it is both on the Git for you and your entire team to access, as well as editable here in the editor. As you will see in a moment. Same thing, and back in Gitkraken, no changes. Alright, thank you for watching.